Vaishali ki or, and I have made a strings art for family member. So let's get started. I have taken one wooden board, some of the woolen yarns. According to the final outcome, you can choose the colors, whatever you want. Different colors are available in the market. And one multicolor lights. The color you can choose according to your preference. After finalizing a painting, I have drawn it. Now it's time to put the nails on the place. Don't need to put them very deep, just make sure it stays in place. Funny thing here is I didn't find any hammer, so I just used one kitchen utensil. That's what it's called, jugaad. You need to start from the top, so it will be easy for you to make. These are the nails I have used, and the picture after some time will be very dirty, so you need to clean it before using the strings. So finally I did it. I am already started liking it. It looks simply very beautiful. You have to tie a simple knot at the end of the string and have to make a loop in the sequence of the outline. Keep looping from the outer side first so it looks clean. You need to keep your one finger above so it will not unravel. I have used this pen so that it goes inside perfectly. Random pattern according to the picture and keep filling it back and forth. You can tie a knot in this way as well. And then cut the tail which is left over. My brother was suggesting me that what should I do with his picture. I should add some beard and mustache as well. Used acrylic colors for writing this happy birthday, and this is it was. I made some changes and drawn some pattern again. I colored the nails so it will not look bad. This is the final outcome. We should keep doing regularly. I regularly do my artworks like paintings, arts, and sometimes I participate in wall paintings as well. But this is the first time I am shooting the vlog of it. I'm sorry, I hate this camera by my leg. So